guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to today's video and you're welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a great ingredients that would help you to tighten up all of those loose chin, firm your loose and saggy chin, and equally firm up your face basically. Okay, now this ingredient is going to help your skin look rejuvenated and clear. Okay, so if you're actually having or experiencing age spots, you are in the right video. Okay, so the very first ingredient we're going to be needing is cucumber, and we're going to be using just 3 ingredients in this particular remedy. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be cutting this. Now cucumber contains a whole lot of nutrients that helps to nourish out the skin, and it's also helps to maintain and rejuvenate the skin, leaving your skin ageless, and it also helps to remove wrinkles and fine lines. So with the help of other ingredients that I'm going to be putting in, it's going to help to tighten up your sagging chin basically. Okay, so after putting that in, then I'll have to blend it. I'm going to be blending it dry. I'm not going to be putting any water, okay, because I need just the juice and I don't need any water. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be moving this, and then I'm gonna be getting my strainer, then I'm gonna be straining out the juice. Okay guys, so here I have my cucumber juice. I earlier told you guys that we're going to be using only 3 ingredients. So I equally have here egg. Now we're going to be needing the egg whites. Now egg whites is a great ingredient that helps in tightening up the skin. It helps so much to tighten up your chin, and it also helps to rejuvenate and helps to nourish up your skin. Okay, so using egg whites in your remedy like this is going to help you to reduce any large pores, that's if you're actually experiencing large pores. So we're going to be using just the egg whites. So in here I have the egg whites, and then I'm going to beat it a little bit. Okay, so after that I'm going to be putting about 3 tablespoons of my cucumber juice, and then I'm going to continue beating it. Okay, so here we go. And then the very next ingredient we're going to be making use of is going to be coffee. Now do you know that coffee is essential in removing cellulite, and it also helps so much to make your skin look rejuvenated and it also helps to smoothen out the skin. So mixing this coffee with these two other ingredients would actually make a whole lot of difference. Okay, so if you have your coffee grains, you can as well just blend it, okay, into a powder form, and then you put it in here. Okay, so after which you have actually beat this a whole lot, then we're going to go apply it onto the chin, okay, area. Now you can equally apply it onto your jawline and any other places in which you are actually experiencing sagginess or looseness of skin. Okay, so let's go apply. Okay guys, so this is a remedy, and this is how it is for our loose and saggy chin. Okay, you can equally apply this onto your face if you feel you would want to do that. Okay, so what you're going to do now is that, well, the very first thing I love to do when I want to apply treatment like this is that I love to actually wet that place in which I want to apply this treatment. Okay, so for instance, I want to tighten up my jawline and chin area. That is actually what I'm doing. I just wet it off and then I'll apply this. Now the reason why I wet it is so that the ingredients can actually get into my skin really quick. Yeah, so I have to apply this way. Okay, this is video 16. Yeah, so I'm gonna be applying this. Okay, so if you're having problem at this side, your deep mouth area, you can also just apply this thing there. Whichever place you're having your problems, you just apply basically. Okay, this particular one doesn't require too much of time. Now when you're done applying it like this, you have to wait for a little while and then you would have to scrub it. Okay, the reason why you're scrubbing that is because the skin actually needs a whole lot of massage to get firm, to get tightened. Okay, so you scrub it like that. Scrub it just like this. Okay, so for this particular one, as you scrub, the ingredient is going to get into your skin. So the next thing you are going to do is to get more of the ingredients and then you apply it on those parts. Apply it on those areas. Okay guys, so that's it. Now after which you've applied this, you would have to wait for at least 2 to 3 minutes to be able to wash it off, and so that it could dry. Now as I'm talking right now, it's already drying on my skin and here is actually becoming tight. Like, go try this remedy, you're going to know how it's going to be on your skin. Okay, so for this particular ingredient, it's not an ingredient you have to keep outside the refrigerator. Now if you have to continue using this, you have to put it inside your fridge, okay, and preserve it for only 3 days because of the egg white that is in it. Okay, But apart from the egg white, it is an ingredient you can preserve for like 5 days, but because of the egg white, it's going to make it spoil and smell. So keep it in your fridge for only 3 days, and for that 3 days just keep applying this, you know, and it's actually going to faint all up. So you try this for like 3 weeks, you know, 3 days in a week, 3 days in a week. So you're actually applying this like 9 times, and you're going to begin to see that it's going to tighten up your chin area. And also guys, if you're actually too fat, this treatment is not going to be working visibly. It works on skin that are loose and not fat. Okay, so get that right. It does not reduce fat here, but it tightens a loose skin. So do not be like, okay, you're so fat and then you expect it to work on your fat. It does not remove fat, it just tightens up the skin. So get that, okay? So 3 times in a week for 3 weeks, and you're gonna see a result. Now you see it's actually getting dry on my skin. Okay, so go give this a try, and I'm sure you're going to be loving it. So if you do love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I'll see you again in another video. Now when you want to remove this ingredient onto your skin, I always tell my beauties that you have to use a warm towel. I love using a warm towel to remove my treatment, after which I've actually applied. Okay, so after for like 3 to 4 minutes, then you use a warm towel and then you clean it all up like this. Now after which you've cleaned it all up like that, you have to go and wash it off with a toilet soap and still the warm water, and it keeps your skin tighter.